Hey guys, I'm back again with a video on how I did this crochet. It's a one crochet in a box braid style. Stay tuned and keep watching. I begin with cutting out my hair one. I'm cutting this out because I want to do a twist out for the crochet method. Cut out your hair, twist it out and do the rest. Let's go there. I'm done with the twist out. I did the twist out in the first and second line. Now is to do the normal crochet weaving. So in this method, if you like, you can do the twist out all through your hair, or you can follow this method. Whichever way is okay. I'm doing this method to make the hair more full, to make the crochet more full. This is how everything looks like. This is how the back looks like. Okay, I'm done with the braiding. I'm done with the twist out. Now with my Boxbraid crochet and my crochet pin, I'll be fixing them on my hair. I'll be fixing this mesh. First, I would like to start with the normal crochet method. For those who don't know how to do that, learn, keep watching and learn. I will start with that one first. Then after that, I'll do the twist out crochet method that will look like a boss braid, or that will look like a braiding style. So keep watching. Now I want to do the twister crochet. This crochet for me is not a random crochet that we all know. Use a crochet pin and take a crochet, open the hook, and from the root of the twist out, pull it out and do the normal crochet, leaving the twist out and the crochet. After that, use your crochet pin to be taking it from the boss braid one after the other, as you can see what I'm doing now. Open the hook, take the twist out, do it randomly till the whole twist out is completely finished. I'm done with one, and this is how it looks like. If you still did not guess what I did, let's do the second one. Like I said, take your crochet pin with your boss braid crochet. From the root of the twist out, take the boss braid crochet, pull it out and tight it like the normal crochet method. After that, use the crochet pin and take the twist out from the boss braid. Do it one after the other till the twist out is completely done. This is how it's been done. With this method, you can pack it whichever way you want to pack, whichever style that you like. You can pack it, and that's the goal, because the one crochet that will look like a boss braid style. This is so. If you find this video helpful, leave your comments on what you think about this style. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. I'll also show you how the back looks like. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.